If your Dyson cordless has a bin flap that just won't stay shut, today we're going to find out why, and also I'm going to show you how to fix it. So on the door, or the flap, or whatever you like to call it, there should be a little thing here. So that keeps the bin shut. Two resolutions for this: you either replace the bin. If you want to spend a little less money, you can just replace the door itself. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. You release the bin by pulling up the cyclone on the red tab, and then at the bottom there's a red tab to release the bin itself. Put the bin upside down and we're going to remove the old flap. You do this by just slightly pulling it up at an angle and then twisting. We're not pulling, we're just twisting. I'll show you that in slow motion again. We're going to take the new flap. We hold it so it's vertical, put one leg in, and then press down to put the other leg in. Then you can put your bin back on by sliding it up into position, making sure that the connectors are in. Then we need to push down the cyclone so that's in position, and then we can simply just close the flap. And that's it, your repair is complete. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos, including this next one. This is in case you are struggling to know how to take the bin on and off, and I've not done it slowly enough in this video.